Hello, everyone. Today we have a real-life English story at a hospital. Alex is not feeling well today, but before we begin, here is today's question. What important thing does Alex almost forget at the end? Listen carefully and try to find the answer. Let's begin.
We walked a lot today. My feet are tired already.
Me too. But I think I feel worse than tired.
You've been quiet for the last 10 minutes. Are you okay?
I think so. Maybe. I just feel strange.
Strange how?
My head feels heavy, and my throat hurts a little.
Oh no. Since when?
Since this afternoon, maybe. But now it feels worse.
Worse?
Yeah, my body feels hot too.
Wait, are you getting sick?
I don't know. I hope not.
Your face looks a little red.
Really? Oh no, I have work tomorrow.
Alex, work is not important right now.
Easy for you to say. I already missed one day last month.
Still, you don't sound good.
My throat really hurts now, and I feel cold at the same time.
Cold and hot together?
Yeah, it's weird.
That sounds like fever.
Fever?
Maybe. Did you check your temperature?
No, I don't even have a thermometer.
Seriously?
Yeah, I never buy useful things.
That's actually true.
Hey.
I'm joking. Wait, why did you stop walking? Alex?
I suddenly feel dizzy.
Oh no, sit down for a minute.
Yeah, maybe that's better.
Here, sit here near the bus stop.
Thanks.
Your hands feel cold.
I told you, something feels wrong.
I think you should go to a hospital tonight.
Tonight? Really?
Yes, better now than later.
Hospitals make me nervous.
Why?
I never know what to say.
You don't need perfect English, just explain simply.
I always panic in places like that.
I'll go with you.
Really?
Of course.
That actually helps a lot.
Good. But first, do you have your wallet?
My wallet? Yeah, I think so.
I think so is not a good answer.
Wait.
Oh no, don't tell me you lost it.
No, hold on.
Alex!
Okay, it's here.
Seriously, you scared me.
Sorry, wrong pocket.
This night is already starting badly.
Yeah.
Come on, the hospital is only a few streets away.
Okay, let's go slowly.
Wow, there are more people here than I expected.
Hospitals at night are busy too?
Sometimes, yeah.
I suddenly feel more nervous.
Just breathe slowly.
What do I even say first?
Just tell them you want to see a doctor.
That sounds simple when you say it.
Because it is simple. Wait here for 1 second. The reception desk is free now.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, my friend would like to see a doctor.
Of course. Is this his first visit here?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Does he have his ID and insurance card?
Alex, your insurance card.
Oh, right. Wait.
What happened?
I can't find it.
Wait, seriously?
I thought it was inside my wallet.
Check again carefully.
I am checking.
Your other pocket, maybe?
No, not there.
Alex.
Oh, wait, never mind.
You found it?
Yeah, it was behind another card.
You almost gave me a heart attack.
Sorry, my brain feels slow today.
Clearly.
No problem. Please fill out this form.
Thank you.
Please write his name, address, phone number, and symptoms.
Okay. Symptoms? Your problems, like fever or headache.
Oh, right.
Here, sit down and write slowly.
My handwriting looks terrible.
Nobody cares about your handwriting right now.
I spelled dizzy wrong.
Let me see.
Is it dizzy?
No, dizzy.
Right, dizzy.
Your fever is making you confused.
Honestly, yes.
Wait, you forgot your phone number here.
Oh no.
Relax, just finish the form.
Okay.
Listen carefully. Alex is getting confused again.
Hey, I heard that.
Good, that means your hearing still works.
Ha, very funny. How long do you think it will take?
Maybe 20 minutes.
My head hurts more now.
Do you want water?
Yeah, maybe.
Stay here, I'll buy some.
Okay,
Here, drink slowly.
thanks.
Better?
A little.
Good. What?
I'm worried the doctor will ask difficult questions.
Then answer simply.
What if I misunderstand something?
Then I'll help you.
Alex Morgan? Oh, that's me.
Come on, you can do this.
Hello. Please come in and sit down. Thank you. What seems to be the problem today?
I have fever.
A fever?
Yeah, and headache too.
I see. Since when?
Since this afternoon, but worse tonight.
Any cough?
A little, not much.
How about your throat?
It hurts when I swallow.
Okay. Let me check your temperature first.
Okay.
100.
Oh, that sounds bad.
Don't worry, it's not extremely high.
Really?
Yes, but you should rest.
Okay.
Open your mouth, please.
Red?
Your throat is red. Yes, it looks irritated. Did you eat dinner tonight?
No, I wasn't hungry.
You still need to eat something light later.
Okay.
Any allergies to medicine? Allergies? Wait, what does
Allergies mean again?
like medicine that makes you sick or causes problems?
Oh, no allergies.
Good.
Sorry, my brain stopped working for a second.
That happens when people have fever sometimes.
Good. I thought I sounded stupid.
Not at all.
Okay.
I think you have a throat infection and mild flu symptoms.
Infection?
Yes, but not serious.
Oh, that's a relief.
I'll give you medicine for fever and pain.
Pain medicine?
Yes, for your throat and headache.
Okay.
Take it 3 times a day after meals.
3 times after meals.
Correct.
Wait, after meals means after eating, right? Okay, just checking.
Also, drink plenty of water and sleep early tonight.
I can definitely sleep early.
No work tomorrow.
Really?
Yes, your body needs rest.
My manager won't be happy.
Ignore your manager for one day. If your fever gets worse, come back immediately.
I understand.
Any questions? Alex?
Actually, yes.
Go ahead.
Can I drink coffee tomorrow?
Maybe not too much.
Oh no.
Water is better right now.
This might be the worst news tonight.
You'll survive one day without coffee.
I'm not sure about that.
All right. Please take this paper to the payment counter first, then the pharmacy.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Take care.
See, that wasn't scary.
Maybe not.
You did well, actually.
Really? I felt awkward the whole time.
That's normal.
Your total is $18.67.
Here you go.
Thank you. And here is the prescription paper.
Thanks.
The pharmacy is next door on the right side.
Okay.
Wait, did she say left side?
No, right side.
Oh, I heard left.
Your ears are tired too now?
Apparently.
Come on.
This hospital is bigger than I thought.
Yeah, don't walk too fast.
I still feel dizzy sometimes.
We're almost done.
Hello, may I see your prescription paper?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait about 5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes feels long right now.
You really are sick.
Yeah,
You look worried again.
I just remembered something.
What?
I think I left my wallet at the payment counter.
Wait, what?
Oh no.
Are you serious right now?
I put it down when I paid.
Alex,
I'm sorry.
stay here. Don't move.
Okay.
Wait, never mind.
Huh?
Look at your hand.
My hand?
Your wallet is literally in your hand. Alex.
Oh no, this is embarrassing.
Okay, now I know your fever is real.
I didn't even notice I was holding it.
Please go home and sleep immediately.
Yeah, good idea. Alex Morgan?
That's us.
Here is the medicine. One is for fever and one is for pain.
Thank you.
Take them after meals and drink plenty of water.
Okay,
After meals, right.
good. At least you remember that part.
Barely.
Can you walk home?
Slowly, yes.
Good. We'll stop at a convenience store first.
Why?
You need soup.
Soup actually sounds nice.
And water.
Okay.
And no coffee.
Please stop saying that. Thanks for helping me tonight.
Of course, friends help each other.
I was really nervous earlier,
I know.
but it felt easier with you there.
Good.
I still feel terrible though.
Yeah, but now you have medicine, water, and soup soon.
Honestly, that makes me feel a little better already.
Good. Let's get you home before you forget another important thing.
Yeah, good idea.
I hope this hospital story helped you practice real English conversation. Alex was nervous many times today, but he still communicated little by little. And now let's go back to today's question. What important thing did Alex almost forget at the end? Did you find the answer? Write your answer in the comments in English. Small writing practice can help your English improve faster. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will continue making calm and easy English stories for you. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.